is the online consumer looking for? First of all, they want instantaneous results. Okay, when we Google something, we want the answer to our question immediately. We want that product we're looking for immediately. They also want accurate and consistent answers. They don't want somebody beating around the bush. They don't want less than thorough information. They want accurate information. They want it very quickly. They do not tolerate interruptions. So when they're looking for information, they don't want all these pop-ups and videos and things like that going on. They just want the answers to their questions. Now, number 4 is actually, I was very surprised at this when I was doing some research, because I've always viewed the online consumer as being much more loyal than your offline consumer. In the beginning, your online consumer is much more fickle than loyal. However, after you've established a relationship with that online consumer, then they become very loyal. So that's where there's a little difference there. Basically, you have 5 seconds to grab that person when they go to your website or when they visit your product. If you don't grab them in that 5 seconds, you're probably not going to get them back. We're going to go over that a little bit. So our online real estate consumer is much more in control of the information they receive and how they receive it. Okay, we all know that. When we want information, we can get it instantaneously. We don't have to go to the library and look it up. We don't have to wait for the newspaper to come and tell us what the news is and how they want us to read the news. We can go get it ourselves, and if we don't get it from one site, we can jump to the other. If anybody was researching or wanted the information on the recent Osama stuff, you know that you could go and find what you wanted online. If you didn't see it, you would go to the next news site. You go from CNN to Fox to whatever you want to look at to get the information you're looking for. It's the same thing with real estate. And the thing to keep in mind is by the time they actually get to the point where they're looking for an agent, they are very, very far along in the sales process. No longer do they walk in the door this greenhorn who doesn't know anything. They know a lot more, and they know a lot more about us. They've researched the agents. They know about our families. They know about the business we do. They know about our companies. The challenge is we know a lot less about them. It used to be we knew our consumers. We knew our consumers. We knew their profiles. We knew them like the back of our hands. We don't know that anymore. So we're coming into the sales process in a much different place than we used to.